Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials. Your device must be on the same network and Wi-Fi or Ethernet enabled. First, restart the router and modem, power off for 30 seconds, power back on, and wait until indicator lights stabilize. This clears transient DNS and routing issues. Once done, launch the YouTube app or browser and read the precise error message. Knowing whether it says offline, cannot connect, or server error determines the next diagnostic steps and prevents wasted attempts. Next, diagnose the network so you know how things fail. You should ping 8 to verify basic internet reachability, then ping YouTube. COM to confirm DNS resolution. If IP works but name fails, DNS is the issue. Make sure your device uses DHCP unless you intentionally set a static IP, and verify the gateway and DNS entries are correct. If problems persist, switch to a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi network. To isolate whether the ISP or your device is to finalize the fix, clear the YouTube app cache or browser cache and reload the service. If that fails, reinstall the app. If DNS was the culprit, change your device or router DNS to Google 8.8.8.8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 and test again. Make sure to power cycle the device after changes and verify router firmware is current. If none of this works, contact your ISP with the ping and trace route results so they can resolve routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.